Here, you can
Okay, guys, we're going live here. We have some nice friends of ours come out to use the track. Say hi, everybody.
Hi, everybody.
Okay, yep, okay. And we wanted to get a little Facebook Live going for everybody. What's your name?
Cameron.
Cameron, we're waiting for his battery charge, so we're going to let him run one of our sentences on the track. So go ahead and take off, Cameron. What's your name?
Phil Zukas.
Phil Zukas.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, I thought we had two cars. You're still running, or?
I just blew my car up.
Oh, okay, well, maybe we'll get another car. Oh, yes, there he goes. So, guys, we really appreciate you guys coming out to the track. And we want to get everybody out here jumping and having fun. That's what this track is for, okay? So, oh, nice. Cameron's you guys' son?
Yes.
Okay, and what's your guys' name?
Holly.
Holly? Nathan?
Anthony.
Anthony, sorry about that, gosh.
Sorry.
No, don't apologize. We'll fix it. That's part of the fun. So anyway, what we wanted to do is let everybody know, since you guys came out today, and we appreciate it so much, here's a $25 gift certificate for Cameron to use in the store. We're going to start doing it a lot and doing a lot of giveaways. So we want to see people. You're welcome so much, and thank you guys so much. So come out, start using the track. You never know when we might give something away. We're talking about giving away 3D printers, surprising people, all kinds of stuff. So comment and like in the thing and let us know, and you never know what you're going to win. And share and subscribe and all the fun stuff, okay? We're going to stay on for a few minutes and watch everybody having a little fun. Harish is driving around. You know Harish is our champion driver, right, Harish?
He almost hit the garbage can.
Oh, don't hit the garbage can, Harish. We're always going to have the ramps out now, live, guys. So anybody who wants to come over, we'll put the ramps. Oh, nice driving. We'll put the. All right. People said I'm a bad cameraman, so I'm trying to work on my skills a little bit. All right, guys, we're going to go ahead and end this. We just wanted to let you know what's going on, like we say. Did you hear what we did for you, bud? Gave you a $25 gift certificate to use in Friendly Hobbies, okay? Get some parts for your car, maybe a new battery, okay? You're very welcome, and thanks for coming out to use our track.